stay strong. Days are dark and the nights are long. I wanna change the situation. Sick of begging with me, hands out, I'm fading. I'm fading away patiently and waiting for a different light to take me, but it's blatantly pushing me to the limit. I'm begging Zeus for the spirit. Can you show me the way, cause I can't hear it. Forever born to this light, man, is it? So tell me.
Richie, thank you so much for coming here today.
Oh, you're very welcome. Very welcome.
Form for us and having a chat. So tell us about the song.
The song is called Lord Knows. Well, it's more of a mashup between me and a singer-songwriter called Aaron Fleming. I've been through a lot of ups and downs the past year or two. I won't give you the normal sub story, but I've been through a lot of ups and downs, and it's just something that I had to record.
Yeah.
Because I want this album to be more kind of, more so positive and more like happy and more kind of like believe in yourself.
A steady job with a paycheck. Little baby on the way, Lord's bless. Great girl, new house, new car, no stress. Man, I love your life until me last breath. Days are dark and the nights are long. I'm trying my best just to stay strong. The days are dark and the nights are long. Didn't think I could make it, but I made it here. Cause I never gave in to all I doubt or fear. Didn't think I could make it, but I made it here. And the stars don't see me now, cause I'm stuck in the grey clouds. Can't find my silver lining. Do you need reminding? But oh, not having money in my pocket doesn't mean I'm poor. Cause I've got all my riches as long as I'm yours. Look.
And where did that decision come from then to, I guess, make this the final solo project, as you put it?
It's the final solo project, so it'd be me as like a bit of rock. It'd be just, you know, it's a bit of rock album, like it's just the last studio album. Yeah, I don't really consider myself a rapper. I'm more of an artist. I just make music. It's just a form of art I do.
Yeah.
You know, it's like drawing or sketching or painting, or if I'm making videos or short films, it's just a form of art. So I just look at it, you know, as that.
Days are dark and the nights are long. Days are dark and the nights are long. Try my best just to stay strong. The days are dark and the nights are long. Didn't think I could make it, but I made it here. Cause I never gave in to all I doubt or fear. Didn't think I could make it, but I made it here. And then days, they are dark, and the nights, they are long. And I'm trying my best to stay strong.